If you want to print a list of the AutoText entries on your system, you can do so quickly by making one change in how you print. I show you the trick in this quick tip. AutoText has been a feature in Word since the earliest days of the program. About 20 years ago, beginning with Word 2007, AutoText was absorbed into the concept of building blocks, with AutoText being just one portion of that concept. There is one place where AutoText is still alive, well, and distinct. That's printing. There are times when it may be helpful to have a printout of your AutoText entries. Word allows you to print such a list by making a simple change in how you do the printing. First, press Ctrl-P to start the printing process. You've seen this screen before. It's where you specify how you want the printing to occur. In this case, you want to pay attention to this control right here. This control allows you to specify what you want to print. Click the control, and down at the bottom, you can choose AutoText Entries. This option tells Word to only print the AutoText entries. Click that, and nothing else changes in the screen. In other words, the preview area at the right of the screen doesn't indicate any difference in what you're going to print. If you click the Print button, though, then Word only prints the AutoText entries on your system. There is one thing to remember here. This change to what you want to print is persistent for the current session of Word. In other words, if you display the printing options again, then it will still be set to print your AutoText entries. You'll need to change back to specify what you really want to print the next time that you print during this current session with Word. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.